Hello, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. And this week on the old Magic Roundabout, we've got a comma pickup, a Matchbox comma pickup. I think it's number 50. It's a Mark 5, 6, 7, Mark 8, I think. But we'll have a closer look when we get it on the bench. As you watch this go around, just like to welcome any new friends of the channel. Welcome aboard, thank you very much. And welcome back all the old friends of the channel. Thanks very much for sticking in there, hanging in there, boys. Okay, look then. Let's get it off the Magic, get it on a bench, and have a good look at it. Let's have a look then, shall we? Comma pickup, Mark 5, 6, yeah, Mark 8. And it is number 50. There we go. It's on the red and the grey. Black plastic wheels. Yeah, so we'll have a look at this. See what we can do with this, shall we? Okay, should be fairly straightforward. Hopefully so. Hopefully so. And get up in there. There you go. Pop goes the weasel. Drag it out. There you go. That's that done. Drill in there. We're ready to go. I'll use the old magic file. Smooth one side. That side's the smoothest. Okay, then I can use a sanding thing if I want to, sanding barrel, but sometimes we do that. We've seen it's done so many times by so many different people. You can use a sanding barrel, grinding stick, whatever you want to get it off with. I'm just holding my finger on the other end of the axle. Get it round. Quick as you like, slow as you want. That's one. Draw that out too. So I'll undo the other one. And then we'll get it in a stripper, strip all the paint off, and we'll get back to you when it's all cleaned up and see what we've got. All the paint is, excuse me, all the paint is off now, off our little comma. Come out quite clean, quite nice. I've done some casting lines. There's some on this area and this area. Done them, cleaned up just down here as well, here and here. Apart from that, which is all done. It's quite nice. Bit of detail on there. Lights at the back there, you can see. There and there, and the grill. So now we're going to put some paint on it. Just going to put some methylated spirits on it and then dry it off, get it painted. This is two-tone, so the bottom half is all red, and then the bed roof, that top bit is grey. It's got a line around there, so what I'm going to do is use that as my masking line there. So this bit above, if you look at the pictures, you'll see that bit above that line is grey there, and just along the base of the window frame along there. We'll give it a go and see what it comes out like. Right, that's a little comma all masked up. Yeah, I don't tend to do much masking on camera because it's awkward, because I need the cameras in front of me and I need to move the thing around a lot. I'm hoping it's going to be alright. Get it up around that line there. Should be okay. I can always touch it up anyway. But yeah, there you go. So let's go spray some Polar Grey. I'm going to use Polar Grey. Ford Polar Grey. Roof and in there. So I'll get back to you and we'll see what it turned out like. That's all painted, demasked, lacquered, come out alright. Yeah, it's showing a bit lighter red on camera. It's a couple of shades darker than this. Got the grey, got the scrape down the side, both of those, there and there. A few little details put in. Going to put the grille, that light and that one. Google Images show it got two lights on the front there. On the slightly later ones, I think it's because it probably had trafficators on here, I would say, because there's just two moulded, one either side there and one either side at the back, so there'll be brake lights and there'll be side lights. I'd imagine the indicators were at that time, when this one was designed, trafficators at the side, and then later on you could probably add an extra light there yourself, but this only shows the two. Right, okay. Let's see what we can do with this then. Let's do the obligatory grill version, shall we? See how we get on with this. It's the lights reflecting off this red, which is not good. Not for me anyway. There's a lot of people use the old Molotov chrome for this. I prefer to use this is Humbrol metal coat 27002. It's a non-metallic. Actually down as aluminium, polished aluminium, which is what I use for this. Well, you probably noticed that I'm chucking a small one in every now and again. Just recently, I might as well get some done. Got enough of them here. And I know some of you guys, people, like to see some of the small ones. So, here you go. Got a bit of a bobble on there. Gripping too tight. If you grip your brush too tight, you tend to get a little bobble through. You're holding on too tight, boy. Relax. Drop your shoulders. There you go, we're getting there. Just try and get that a little bit around the outside. Slowly but surely. Get a little bit of a hook on the end of my brush. So watch that. Yeah, it takes time. Takes time. It's all about relaxing and enjoying yourself. That's the main thing. There you go, we've got that bottom line there. There's some lovely fine details on some of these. It's a shame. I wonder why the camera shows it up red, brighter. I don't know whether it's camera settings. I don't know. So I'm just holding my breath going through here, because the line's a little bit faint. I need to keep track of where I'm going. And just alter it again in the light, and you'll see where you've missed, like down here. Because I tend to not put too much paint on, if you know what I mean. I'd rather give it 2 light coats than 1 heavy coat. That's my personal preference. You do it however way you want to do it. Just don't be scared to try new things. That's how we progress, isn't it? If you want to, that is. Right, I was going to finish. Well, we're gone 7 minutes. Right, okay. See, we did the grill. I want to finish it off because there's 1 or 2 dark patches there, and there. Do the lights, do the indicators, and do the bumpers. That's it then. Our little comma all done and dusted. Details on the front. Door handles. Back bumper. And little red lights on the back there. I'll just give it some polish. So now we're going to put it together. Straightforward. Says E. In there. In there. Little bit of the old super duper. Drop that in there. This is the smaller rivets that I got. I've only got a couple left now. I got them off eBay, and they were designed for Hot Wheels and Matchbox. And to be honest with you, I haven't seen any more. So I don't know. Anyway, that goes in there. Give that a second or two to set up, and then we'll get it on the magic. This is what we started with. A little Matchbox comma pickup, chipped up plain one. So have a look, see what we've done to it, see if you like it, and have a look at this. Here she is then. Matchbox regular wheels, number 50, comma pickup in the grey and red. They did in 2 or 3 different colours, these, and grey and red was one of them. It's showing up a bit lighter on camera, but it's a couple of shades darker, to be honest with you. But yeah, there you go. Enjoyed doing this one. Interesting. Nice little truck, nice little model. Well, I hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Okay. Well, as we say goodbye to this one, we'll say, as we say goodbye to this one, wishing you all the best. And we'll see you again next week with, let's have a look. Yeah, it's the donations and purchases next week. Okay then, we'll see you there. Bye for now. Let's have a look. He's coming round. Cute little thing. There you go. Right. And we'll cut it round about here.